Is the keto diet safe? Well, this brings me to what I just said in the previous video. Keto has been around forever. Okay, in fact, when you were a baby, if you were breastfed, that breast milk has saturated fat, cholesterol, and protein. Guess what? That baby that's getting breast milk is producing ketones because ketones help the development of the brain. The brain is 70% fat, 25% of the total cholesterol in the body is found in the brain, and they are super powerful. Ketones are. In fact, your cells, you're made up of 70 trillion cells. Every cell has a cell membrane around it that protects your DNA, protects your cell. Guess what it's made up of? Protein, saturated fat, and cholesterol. So your body loves fat. No, it is not dangerous if you do it the healthy way, like the way I'm teaching you in this program. If you do keto and do it dirty keto, then yeah, it could be dangerous. You could actually increase inflammation, but you're following this program, you're in this academy, so we're doing keto the right way.